This RE/MAX Select Property video is presented by Tracy Wisnant. Beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath vinyl ranch home on approximately 0.42 acre lot in City of Shelby. New roof installed in March 2023. New heat and air in 2017. New electrical panel. Replacement windows. Hardwood floors. Home has a front porch, a covered side porch, and large rear patio. Living room has a fireplace with gas logs and lots of windows for plenty of natural light. Kitchen has granite countertops, stainless appliances, and tile backsplash. Refrigerator remains. Family room has a stone fireplace with gas logs, built-ins, and gets lots of natural light. Primary bedroom has 2 closets. Primary bath has a tile walk-in shower. The rear patio is a great place for entertaining or just relaxing. The storage building remains. The spacious backyard is partially fenced. This home is in a great location, convenient to Uptown Shelby, City Library, City Park, shopping, dining, medical, etc. This home is a must-see. For more information,